Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. How to force restart and fix frozen screen. How to force restart. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Step 1. Press and hold the volume down button and the power side button simultaneously. Step 2. Hold both buttons for about 10-15 seconds until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Step 3. Once the logo appears, release the buttons. Your phone will reboot. If force restart doesn't work, charge the phone for 15-20 minutes and then try again. Boot into recovery mode. Step 1. Turn the phone completely off. Force it off if needed by holding power and volume down even longer. Step 2. Once off, press and hold volume up power button together. Step 3. Release both when you see the Samsung logo or recovery mode screen. Step 4. In recovery, use volume keys to move and select Reboot System Now with the power button.